Yo, it's cracking YouTube. It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon. First and foremost, Happy New Year. Hope you had a happy holiday season with your fam. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Unbox. Welcome back to T and Tony TV. You know what I'm saying? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload here on the channel. So, if you're new, it's season 4. We're going to keep it short and sweet. We're going to get right into it. This, I guess you could say, is my last cop of the year, but it was a gift. It still counts. Anyway, I already put it in the collection. The box is up there. I had to put something in the box to make room for it. I got the Hyper Royals. Real good. Woohoo! Splat. You see it. Use my. Hold on. Let me turn the light up a little bit. They clean. So this was a gift from my father-in-law. Let me get the other one out real quick. First and foremost, this man had some heat. He was holding out on me. He had some shoes that I never seen before. So when I got to this house, I was like, damn. But here they go. This is a gift. I'm gonna let you know the man wears a size 13. This is a size 10. I don't know if he just had them. He was waiting for me. He had them. He was gonna sell them. I don't know. But either way, he walked in the room. He said, "You wear a 10, right?" I said, "Yeah, I wear a 10. He said, "Here you go." I said, "Oh, thank you." But keep it short and sweet. We're gonna get to the B-roll and close this thing out. This is the Air Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. So that was the B-roll. This is the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 1 OG High Hyper Royal colorway. Retail was $170. Like I said, it was a gift. You know what I'm saying? So he could have paid more, he could have paid less. Either way, I am grateful and I'm thankful. You know what I'm saying? I got a father-in-law that's sneakerhead just like me. I mean, what can I ask for? What more can you ask for? Anyway, that was the shoe. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year if I didn't tell you already. And I'm out.